Welcome to EEZBOOK. This guide provides step-by-step instructions for users. If you already have a login ID, simply proceed to the Go to EEZBOOK tab. Click to Control Panel. Click to Setup. Click to Module-wise Setup. Go to FMCG Sale. Go to Region. To select Define Classes. If the user wants to add new class, then select to Add New tab. Write the name of the new class name, and allocate the new class name with the region. The Region Status class allows users to manage regions within a system. Users can add new regions to the list and toggle their activation status between active and inactive as needed. This provides flexibility and control over the regions within the system.